Good morning, friends. How are you all? So, welcome to my vlog. So, आप सोच रहे होंगे हम क्या कर रहे हैं? What we are doing here is vitamin D intake for me and my baby. As we all know, ये important होता ही है. अब जाके कहाँ धूप निकल आई है. Sorry for the disturbance. हमारे यहाँ पे ये जो पतरा होता है ना.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh,
hell no, man. What the fuck?
We have birds who dance on that, jump on that. So yeah, was
अच्छा
like throughout the day आता रहता है. So sorry for that. Yeah, coming back to the vitamin D intake. So अब जाके कहाँ पे धूप निकली है. सितंबर अक्टूबर तक तो बारिश ही हो रही थी. और अब देख रहे हो माय फ्रॉग स्लीपिंग. तो कल रात को he did sleep but he keeps waking up 2 hours के इंटरवल्स पे. आज हम जाने वाले हैं डोंबिवली बिकॉज हम दिवाली डोंबिवली में सेलिब्रेट करने वाले हैं विद नितीश's family. The way his grandparents play with him. Not just my parents, Nitish's parents, his family. It is so cute and बहुत अच्छा लगता है to see that. और also look at the amount of sunlight that we are getting here. So grateful. So a quick fact about vitamin D intake. So for infants 3 months old, like he's 3 months, but for infants in general, this is very important because it helps with building their immunity. Healthy immunity build होता है इससे. And majorly it is important because it helps in absorbing calcium and phosphorus, which helps with healthy bone development, stronger bone growth to be precise. And तीसरी चीज मतलब it helps with sleep regulation, mood regulation. तो इनका sleep cycle better होता है. So yeah, I'm so glad that I can do this in my own house, sitting in this corner.
2000 years later.
तो हम डोंबिवली पहुंच चुके हैं. And as you can see, अगस्त को मैं सुला रही हूँ. For some reason, I really feel, not for some reason, it is said, studies have shown that babies are very smart. तो घर पे तो इतना नाटक नहीं करता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे आके इसको अगर नीचे रखते हैं ना, he starts crying, guys. I mean, I don't understand. And then he look at his grandparents and he'll cry more as if he wants them to pick him up. कहाँ से सीख के आया पता नहीं. He's just 3.5 months old, guys. But I just see that he's becoming smarter day by day. And life is getting difficult for me because when I go back home, ये फिर बहुत तकलीफ देता है. So yeah, I have to pick him up like this. If I keep him down, he cries. Demo दिखाओ. Come, let's see. देखो, सो गया है फिलहाल तो. I still feel he's half asleep and listening to orange. और फिर जल्दी उठा लेना पड़ता है बिकॉज ये इतना जोर से रोता है. उसके ग्रैंडपेरेंट्स अंदर आ जाते हैं. एंड देन फिर मुझे ऐसा फील होता है कि यार मैं इसको सुना भी नहीं पा रही हूँ. क्या करूँ? This is unsafe pressure. I don't know why, but I know I'm doing a great job as his mom. But still, कभी कभी लगता है कि not because I am not confident about what I'm doing, but just that वही pressure होता है कि यार ये लोग क्या सोचेंगे, क्या मैं अपने बच्चे का ख्याल नहीं रखती हूँ. ये सब thoughts आते हैं. I have to sit at night and tell myself, no Shraddha, you're doing a great job. God has gifted you this baby because He knows that you have the potential and capability to take care of him. So yeah, that's how I end my day with an affirmation. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. अगर आपको रिलेट हुआ हो तो do like the video, comment करना if you are going through something like this, share the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.